KPMG Youth to Keelboat race day, and after a lay-day break, Mother Nature came back with a vengeance. Lots of wind opened up great options for planing yachts like the VO65 Amber Sail. We went out for a blast with these friendly Lithuanians. It was an all-day battle with the Far 115 Sajana, and in the morning race, Amber Sail managed to beat them over the line. Later on in race 2, however, the tables turned and Team Sajana got home first. It's been a grueling day of racing that has helped to sharpen the results at the top of each racing class.
Today we've been pretty happy because that was the first time when we physically beat Sajana.
Youth to Keelboat sailor Janella King was on Sajana today.
Hopefully, Youth to Keel will provide a lot of opportunities on bigger boats for students and the youths, the local youths and whatnot.
There is now just one day left for the still hopeful to improve their final tally. There is an air of focus tonight as everyone preps for tomorrow's final battle.